What's up guys? This is Paul and you are watching Tech Buff PH. So ang i-unbox natin is yung Redmi Note 9. And then we're going to compare this Redmi Note based sa mga leaks ng Redmi Note 10. So ano pang hinihintay natin? Buksan na natin to. Power adapter na 22.5 watts. Meron din siyang kasamang USB Type-C cable na 1 meter. Siyempre, hindi mawawala yung mga lalagyan natin na manual. User guide, warranty card, siyempre, ito silicone case. Let me give you guys an overview spec of this Redmi Note 9. Pagdating sa harap, ang display size niya is nasa 6.53 FHD Plus dot display. Naka-Corning Gorilla Glass 5 na rin itong Redmi Note 9. And then pagdating naman dito sa taas, andito yung IR blaster niya. And then pagdating naman dito sa right side, andito yung volume button at saka yung power button niya. And then pagdating naman dito sa ilalim, nandito yung 3.5mm audio jack at yung USB-C charging port niya. At saka yung isang speaker niya dito sa ilalim. So when it comes to the design, it's very stylish and very symmetrical. So it has a rear fingerprint sensor dito sa likod. It also has AI quad camera setup. So when it comes to the camera, it has a 48 megapixel main camera. The second camera is 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, and then the third camera is a 2 megapixel macro camera, and then the fourth camera is a 2 megapixel depth sensor. And then when it comes to the front camera or the selfie camera, it has a 13 megapixel in-display front camera. It also features a face unlock. Then when it comes to performance, it has a MediaTek Helios G85 processor with an octa-core CPU up to 2.0 GHz. And this phone that I'm holding has a 4GB of RAM plus 128GB of internal storage that can be expandable up to 512GB. So when it comes to the battery and charging, this Redmi Note 9 has a 5020 mAh battery capacity that supports 18 watts fast charging. And of course, when it comes to connectivity, it has an IR blaster on top, and it has a 3.5mm audio jack at the bottom. And when it comes to the SIM tray, it has a 2+1 SIM slot. So I guess sobrang sulit yung pera nyo pag ito yung binili nyo. So if you wanted to buy a mid-range phone, I would strongly suggest to buy this one instead of buying other mid-range phone na mas mahal kesa dito sa Redmi Note 9. So yung mga favorites ko dito sa phone na to is meron siyang 48 megapixel camera, which is madami ka na makukuha na magagandang pictures sa 48 megapixel camera. And at the same time, makakakuha ka na rin ng magandang portrait using this phone using the bokeh effect na meron dito sa Redmi Note 9. And then, yung battery niya na merong 5,020 mAh battery capacity, well, sobrang sulit din kasi kung mahilig kang mag-text, mahilig kang tumawag, mahilig kang maglaro, mahilig kang mag-surf sa net, you don't have to worry na malulobat ka kaagad dahil sobrang okay yung battery capacity mo. And then it also supports 18 watts fast charging. And then pagdating naman sa pagpipilian ng kulay, well, sobrang daming options sa pagpipilian ng kulay nito. So isa na sa pinakamagandang kulay itong midnight gray. So marami pa siyang available na kulay. Depends na lang sa inyo kung ano yung kulay na gusto nyo. Ayun guys, so I think that's the overview specs of this Redmi Note 9. So let's talk about the Redmi Note 10 leaks. So we're going to compare this Redmi Note 9 dun sa mga leaks na nakita natin online. So let's just get to it. So yun, so kung makikita nyo dito, so meron siyang mga, let's say, I think major changes na yung ginawa nila dito sa Redmi Note 10. Kasi kung makikita nyo dito, in-upgrade nila yung pinaka display. So ito is FHD Plus lang yung display niya. So dito sa Redmi Note 10 is Full HD AMOLED display na siya. And syempre makita din dito na naka 48 megapixel pa rin yung main camera niya, which is meron din dito sa Redmi Note 9. And then okay, so dust proof na rin yung Redmi Note 10 at splash proof na rin yung Redmi Note 10. So yun yung ibig sabihin ng IP52, Ingress Protection 52. And then, sabi din dito, meron siyang binago din nila yung processor niya. So yung magiging processor daw niya is Snapdragon 750G. Wow! So that's one hell of a upgrade ng processor nito. So expected pa daw is 108 megapixel yung main camera. Oof. Yung ibang series. So yun. So kung titingnan nyo dito sa mga pictures, well yun. Yung camera niya dito sa gitna, nilagay nila dito sa gawing right side na nakaparang diamond setup yung apat na camera niya. Iniba nila yon, pati yung fingerprint sensor niya na wala na rin dito sa likod. So I guess nilagay nila dito yung sa side. So naka side mounted fingerprint sensor na rin yung Redmi Note 10. And then yeah, so kung makikita nyo dito sa leak, I think naka-protective case pa tong pinicturean niya. So I guess hindi pa to pwede ipakita sa public dahil naka-protective case pa siya. Ayun, so I don't know kung saan nanggaling yung leak na to. So pero nakita ko dito is Me Update PH. So I guess PH, I don't know, hindi ko alam kung saan nanggaling yung leak. So nakalagay lang siya dito, Me Update PH. So I don't know if Philippines pa talaga, sa Philippines pa talaga galing to or hindi. Kung bibili kayo ng Redmi Note 10 at meron na kayong Redmi Note 9, well I guess, I think it's time to update your Redmi Note 9 dahil madami ding changes na ginawa dito sa Redmi Note 10. So I think sulit na sulit yung pera nyo dito pag bumili kayo ng Redmi Note 10. So marami siyang ginawang upgrade. So I guess, worth it na bilhin to or worth it na mag-upgrade. So we just have to wait kung kailan lalabas yung Redmi Note 10. Well, even I really don't know kung kailan siya lalabas. Pero guys, to be honest, I do have a Redmi Note 10. But of course, I'm not going to reveal it now. Because as we all know, alam naman natin nangyari nung last time. Okay, so let's not talk about that. Let's talk about the Redmi Note 10 and this Redmi Note 9. I guess, from this leak, very exciting yung i-offer ni Redmi Note 10. So yun. So I guess guys, that's pretty much it for this Redmi Note 9 and Redmi Note 10 comparison. So I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa unboxing and then a little bit of comparison itong Redmi Note 10 na leak compared dito sa Redmi Note 9. So yun guys, if you like this video, please give it a like. And then for more upcoming videos and reviews, please check out TechBuffPH Facebook page. So marami tayong giveaways dyan sa Facebook page natin. So lahat ng info na kailangan nyo nandyan para panalo kayo ng mga pinamimigay natin. So good luck sa inyo. So visit our Facebook page and then at the same time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button at the end of this video. Okay? Okay ba yan? So once again, this is Paul. I'll see you again on the next one. Peace!